Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Apple Watch. To begin, open the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone. Navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. Tap Add Card and follow the simple on-screen prompts to input your credit or debit card details. Finally, verify your card with your bank or card issuer, which usually takes just a few moments. This essential first step securely links your payment method to your watch, preparing you for convenient transactions. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply double-click the side button located on your Apple Watch. This action brings up your default payment card. Then, hold the display of your watch within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a soft beep, confirming your payment has been successfully processed. If you have multiple cards, a quick swipe allows you to select the correct one before tapping. For incredibly fast transit payments, enable Express Transit for a compatible card within the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once set up, you won't need to double-click the side button. Just hold your Apple Watch near the transit reader, and your designated Express Transit card will be used automatically. This feature offers seamless and swift access to public transportation, saving you valuable seconds during your commute. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Rest assured, your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants, ensuring your financial privacy. Every payment is secured with a unique, device-specific number and a one-time transaction code. Always protect your Apple Watch with a strong passcode for enhanced security. Should your watch ever be lost or stolen, you can easily suspend or remove your cards remotely using the Find My iPhone feature, giving you complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.